A very warm welcome back to my channel. So we had some fun moments over the weekend and I recreated exhibiting mommy's flour ice cream recipe. Trust me when I say this finished within a blink. So if you want to know how this was made, please sit back, relax and then enjoy. Thank you. So I'll start by adding 1 cup of flour and I'll add 1 cup of warm water and I'll stir continuously till everything mixes up. I want a lump-free ice cream, so I had to strain 2 times just to make sure there are no lumps in it. And you could see the end result after straining it. So when I'm done, I'll cook this flour mixture on medium heat. And at this stage, you need to stir continuously so it won't be lumpy. And when it starts getting thicker, I'll add a cup of water. But this should be at your preference. I will then add a tablespoon of margarine and I'll stir continuously till it dissolves. And I'll cook this on a very low heat until it's done. So now let's move on to the next stage. I'll add 3 cups and a spoon of powdered milk. And I'll add 2.5 cups of warm water. Afterwards, I'll stir continuously till everything mixes up. In a bowl, I'll just strain the milk I just made, followed by the flour mixture. Like I said earlier, we are making a lump-free ice cream, so we need to make sure there is no lumps in it. So I'll then stir continuously till everything mixes up beautifully, and I'll add a thin and a half cup of milk, followed by vanilla flavor. So afterwards, I'll add a tin of condensed milk and I'll stir continuously as well. So after mixing and tasting, I realized that it wasn't to my satisfaction and I didn't want to add any sugar. So I added some clear honey and then I mixed everything up. So I started filling my cups, added the sticks, and then I moved to the next step. I added 2 cups of the ice cream and I added some drops of blue food coloring and I mixed everything up. Afterwards, I filled the cups and added the sticks. Now let's move to the next step. For the next step, I wanted the color to pop more, so I added a tablespoon of the green food coloring and I stirred continuously till everything mixed up. When I was done, I filled my cups as usual and I added the sticks. So the last one was the yellow color and I followed the same procedure and I filled the cups. Afterwards, I refrigerated it for 6 hours. So like I said earlier, I created this amazing recipe from Exhibiting Mommy's Recipe. Do check out her channel for more amazing recipes, and the link to the original video will be linked in my description box, so do check it out. After 6 hours, this is the outcome. It came out beautifully and they finished it within a blink. If you tried this recipe, please don't forget to give a feedback on Instagram or TikTok. I'm very active. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.